are louder than the rains and the thunder. To the officers and members of the Board of Trustees of Sunway National Academy, led of course by our Chairman, Dr. Leo Angelo Halog, and our President, Dr. Jaime O. Vergara. Let's give them a big round of applause. To all our dear teachers, staff, and administrators led by our principal, Mrs. Marimor Gamagan, and Administrator Mr. Robert Mendoza. Wala nakatulog na. And of course, to our dear parents, grandparents, and guardians of Shians. And especially to the outstanding pupils for this academic year 2023-2024. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, brothers, and sisters, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. I want to thank you all for making me a part of this momentous occasion today to celebrate the remarkable achievements of our pupils from the preschool, nursery, and kinder, and from the elementary grades 1 to 5. To express our and dedication put forth to receive these notable awards and recognition. Let us put our hands together and give them our thunderous round of applause for a job well done. I think our convocation will not be complete if we will not express our sincere gratitude and felicitations to our proud parents, grandparents, guardians, for you have been there with your children in their academic journey this school year. So, to all our pupils within this afternoon, I would like to request our students, if you could, our pupils, if you could stand up, and to show our gratitude and love to our parents, grandparents, guardians, and your teachers. You can face at the back and please offer your bow of gratitude and respect. Jump. Wow. Wow, that's really beautiful. Thank you very much, dear parents, grandparents. Thank you, students. You may sit again. Many of our teachers and staff who are with us from this morning until this afternoon actually didn't have sleep yet. Is that right? Yeah, they have been preparing well for this celebration today. And so I think let's also congratulate them for a job well done, all our teachers and staff. What names, guys? Cheers! Are you happy and excited today? Wow! Why? Why are you happy and excited? I know that you are excited because you will receive your awards, right? Wow! Because after all those struggles with assignment,